All right, let's do a sound check.
Check one, check one.
I'm Cash.
Oh, we got a bit of a water crossing situation here. I should just blast them. Ooh, nice and dark in here.
Ooh!
All right, I'm wet now. Yeah, I think we want to go back. Yeah.
Right here, right?
Yeah, right here. This is where we should have gone. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Try clicking yours, Jeff, and see if he reconnects.
I might lose you. You guys there?
Yeah.
There we go.
Where the f have you been?
Where the f have you been? Ernie's like, just press your button and see if you connect. As soon as I did that, I lost everyone. Oh, geez, side by side. I'm going in here.
Yeah, I'm following you.
Goodbye.
Ah, breeze.
Yeah. Oh, that feels better. So we're looking for Berryvale Road. It should be up here on the right.
That's what we just came off of.
Was it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then we're going back to that to get back to the trail.
So it's right across from the park. Sticky.
Yes, sir.
Ah, shit.
What?
Oh, I didn't do up my helmet again.
We'll stop up here when we turn right.
Yeah.
Or do you want to stop sooner?
No, I'm good.
Are you stopping?
Oh yeah.
You could have stopped at the trail. It's not that far, but...
Gotta be safe, Ernie. I smell two-stroke.
Yeah.
That smells good. Feels a little cooler in here.
Much.
Hey, Murray, tap your brake.
Why, my light not working?
No, it's your brake light's on. I thought it looked bright. Oh, there you... Yeah, it was on.
That's
it's okay
weird.
now.
Oh, it's the foot pedal. I just tapped the foot pedal and that's when you said it went off.
It must be sticking.
Yeah.
Some potholes up here, fellas. Whoa, 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 watch that. Watch staying to the right there. I just slid.
I just go through the middle then.
There you go. I wish Duncan had a camera on me there. I was going sideways. And we got an ATV up here. Yeah, that was a bit of a pucker moment. Bit of a bigger water crossing here. We all through, fellas?
Yep.
Okay.
My feet are cool enough.
Yeah.
Oh!
Don't like that sound.
That was me sitting down as I hit a deeper hole than I thought it was.
That's good on the old back.
Yeah.
Big puddle. So everything below my my calves is dry. From my calves up to about my waist is wet. I think we got some sort of vehicle coming towards us. Looks like a side-by-side maybe. Oh, some rocks in here.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, I'm wet now.
I suppose I better close this.
Good news is my bike's washed off.
Looked better the way Duncan went.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, stay to the left, I think. Got a bit of a current on this one too. So I have us turning left here on a road. So.
Yeah, this is Flower Station.
Yeah. Maybe we could go further if you want, but I think we'll turn here.
Okay. Kick up some dust to stick to everything that's wet.
It'll make washing it worthwhile.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a phone call. Hold on. I missed the call. I'll have to try calling back when we stop or something.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. What are you doing?
Just stopped on the side of the road. I saw that you called, and I was trying to call you back.
Oh.
Yeah, we're in. If you look on Google Maps, we're in Lavant Station. Lavant Station.
I have no idea where that is.
Google it.
Well, what's it near?
It's north of Sharpet Lake.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh.
All right, we're good. Got to get moving to cool off again. You guys want to go swimming, or did you have enough back in the puddles?
I'm still kind of wet. Nice little place. What do we got here?
Might be puddles. guys good?
Yep.
You want to see if Duncan wants the air down?
Yeah. No, I don't.
You gotta be moving.
I'm gonna park in the shade though.
Your auxiliary light's on.
Yeah, they'll shut off in a minute.